Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We are back with the Infinix XWatch 3. And there are some queries asking whether the Infinix XWatch 3 is working with the iPhone. Okay, is it compatible with iPhone? Let's see. So we have here our iPhone and we'll try to download the support app for the Infinix XWatch 3. It is using the My Health app. So let's pair it with the My Health app on our iPhone or iOS device. Okay, so if you are interested to see whether this XWatch 3 is compatible with iPhone, watch this video. And again, please support our channel by liking, sharing, and subscribing to our YouTube channel. Okay, so let's start. Let's begin and download the app for our smartwatch. So we have here the QR code. It's available on the settings. So let's try and scan this QR code. So we have the QR code. And as you can see here, let's open the website. Let's see if we will be able to download the app here. Okay, so it automatically switched to the App Store, and we have here the My Health app. So 125 MB. So let's download the application. Again, this is for the iPhone. So we are already done with the Android smartphone. This time we are going to switch to iPhone and see if the My Health app or the Infinix XWatch 3 is compatible with our phone here. Okay, so let's wait for it to finish downloading, and of course it will install automatically to our smartphone. As you can see here, it is now installed. So let's open the application. So let's open the My Health app. Do exercise scientifically and live healthy. So welcome. We have here user agreement and privacy policy. Let's agree to it. Complete your profile. So this is just a demo, so we'll skip it. And we have our permission here. My Health would like to send you notifications. We'll allow it. Okay, so that's it. So here we are on the dashboard of the My Health app. So we have here health, workout, device, and me. To pair your smartwatch, tap on device section. Smart devices just for you. So let's tap on add. Please log in to the account for personalized workout and health. What if we cancel it? Okay, so you cannot continue. Again, add, log in. Let's see if there's a third-party login for this app. As you can see here, it has the same setup with the Android smartphone. So it is asking you to register. So there's no third-party login, but you can use your email address. You can get the code, and of course, use that code to log in. Okay, so we have successfully registered an account for My Health application. So you will receive a verification code. You will use that to log in. Okay, plus your email address. And now that we are logged in, as you can see, so let's go back again and add our smartwatch. My Health would like to use Bluetooth. Let's tap on OK. Then add again. Now it is searching, or it is looking for our smartwatch. Hopefully we'll have a successful pairing. So let's wait for it to search. Okay, to find our wearable. As you can see here, it finally found our smartwatch Infinix XWatch 3. So let's check it on our settings here is if the wearable is really our device. So the QR code, is it our smartwatch? Yes, the same MAC address. Okay, 126DA. So tap on it to pair it with a smartwatch. So let's wait for it. So it is now connecting to our wearable. So we are using the iPhone 10. Okay, so we are connected and it is asking for the location. So allow once and Bluetooth pairing request, pair. And we have here Infinix XWatch 3. Are we connected? Let's see. Okay. Allow XWatch 3 to receive notifications. So we have here a permission. We'll allow it. Find my phone. Other settings. Time format. Let's see. 12 hour. Okay, so we are connected as you can see. Switch to 12-hour format time. Raise to wake. Drink water reminder. What else do we have here? Push notifications, my cards, dial center. Okay. Search wearable device. And as you can see here, it is looking for our smartwatch. Okay. So that's it. I guess we are, as you can see here, connected. And seems like the Infinix XWatch 3 is really compatible with the iOS platform or iPhone. Okay. So you can delete the device here. Infinix XWatch 3. So we are connected. Let's check on the dial center. Do we have it here? Yes, we have it here. So let's download one and see if we can download a watch face. Then download. Downloaded. Let's see. Apply. 0%. So let's wait for it. Our smartwatch switch to download mode. And that's it. Okay, so that's it for the video tutorial. And for those of you who are asking whether the Infinix XWatch 3 is compatible with iPhone, as you can see here, we have successfully paired it with a smartwatch with the iPhone with a My Health application for your iPhone or iOS devices. Again, if you have any questions regarding demo, drop a comment below. Hopefully, we answered your queries regarding the compatibility of the Infinix XWatch 3 with iPhone. Like, share, and subscribe.